So have you ever had an idea and you were like, all right, I know this is what I'm going to do, but then you tell everybody about it and then you go, oh, I'm not ready to make this idea a reality. And now everybody's like, but you've told us about it and we want to see it. Well, you know, I'm like looking back here at this thing and I'm going, it's the same like this right here. Door going outside of a building with a ladder that don't even go all the way down to the ground. It's like, there's the idea. It's right there. I told everybody, right? They see it and they're like, I want to get to that idea. I want to see it. That's what I've done. You're probably thinking, well, what have you done? Well, on my vlog channel, I was making these Crunchwrap Supremes and I filmed it. I was like, if you want to watch how I made this, you need to go check out my cooking channel. But I haven't even made the video. So here, we got to make the video right now. So let's start with the hash browns. I just get these frozen at Walmart, great value brand. Put them on a skillet, maybe put a little bit of bacon grease in there that I keep on the stove, and boom, they're done in no time. Then I crack 4 eggs. Now it's time for some dairy. Half and half, heavy cream or milk works just fine. Just find the consistency that you want so that when you mix it up, it has a light yellow consistent look throughout the mixture. Once you have that, put a little oil in a pan and pour in your mixture and start to scramble. Now, before it's fully cooked through, you want to add in some meat. It could be sausage and it could be bacon, whatever you want. And it could be something that was left from a day or two earlier and you want to use it before it goes bad. That's fine as well. Now get that all mixed in and then it's time to assemble. Get your largest tortilla, lay it down first, and then you grab your sauce. I like the Taco Bell Chipotle sauce. It has the absolute flavor that they put in the breakfast crunch wrap. On top of that, we're going to put our hash brown that we cooked in bacon grease. And on top of that, it's time for our scrambled eggs with our meat added in there. Now, you get all that piled on top, and if you have to, use your hand. Get it all there in the middle. Get it piled up as high as you want. And then put as much cheese as you want. No judgment here. Pile that in, and it's time to fold. You grab one side, fold it up. Now you can turn this each time or just work your way all the way around, folding until you have every flap folded in. And then you grab it, flip it over, and that cheese that's exposed in the middle, that's okay because it will brown a little bit and kind of crust over when you put it on the skillet. Now, put a little more oil in this pan and put it down for about 20 seconds or so until it browns and seals that side. And once it is brown, we're going to flip it over and brown the other side. And after 15-20 seconds on that side, it's time to eat. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked this video and subscribe to this channel. Till next time, God bless.